And this Extreme Rules match. By Reigns.
Will Bronson get back up?
And into the count. 2. Oh, he just kicked out.
He's in total disbelief. That did not finish the job.
Everyone watching this is in total disbelief right now.
And Reigns absolutely can't believe it, but he cannot let that slow him down.
A match like this can have so many twists and turns. Corey, what will have an impact on this matchup?
You need to strike first. Dictate the pace of the match. Since anything goes, you can add anything to the equation.
Each from the top.
Elbow drop. Good Lord. Someone get the spatula. We have a human being to scrape up.
Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want. And he heads out of the ring. No countouts, no worries.
The steel chair. Looks like he's opted to go with the simple but effective statement here.
He's getting a little battered now.
Yeah, as Roman came ready to assert his dominance and is doing just that. And the damage is just going to keep on coming if you can't find the defense for this. Watch out!
Being put into a perilous position here after each of these vicious attacks.
About to introduce some metal into the mayhem in the form of the trash can. Throwing down the proverbial gun.
Oh, taking it right to him. No waiting.
Reigns is wasting no motion.
Yeah, some flaws in Reed's game plan are being exposed. Oh, man.
Uh-oh.
And Reed with a counter.
Reed.
Hoisted high up across the shoulders into a sit-out axe driver.
Can Reed close it out?
How on earth could he not keep him down for even one at this point?
This was the moment to capitalize on. That should have been the end.
Superman punch!
That's the kind of power that makes you have to acknowledge the Tribal Chief.
Reigns is certainly impressive.
Roman Reigns measuring his man.
Reigns got all of it.
Out of the ring, what's his plan here?
Clearing the table.
They're gonna take it to the next level.
What is this superstar thinking?
They're thinking about the end, finishing this thing off by any means necessary.
And gets tossed back into the mat. Power slam.
Good night. Double axe handle.
Oh, man, he is more than fired up right now.
Now he's been put on the defensive.
Tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
Looking for
Reigns is getting dismantled here.
Reed's a wrecking ball in motion. And all eyes are on Reed now. Hoisted high up across the shoulders into a sit-out axe driver.
They have just vanquished Reigns. How? How?
Kicking out at one after that is unheard of.
That was the best weapon in the arsenal, but it wasn't enough to produce an end result.
He's got the chair set up. Oh boy, this is not going to be good. Textbook jumping clothesline. Oof.
Somehow, some way, these superstars are still fighting on.
If this continues, someone will fade. This can't go much longer.
Punch right in the head. Oh, shot right to the kidney.
What impact! Superman punch from Reigns.
This one is headed outside, guys.
A table. The WWE Universe is going wild.
Re-entering the ring now.
Strong right forearm. Was mounted with punches and a stop to the gut too. Saw that one coming. Showing some extra scouting, knowing how to answer a counter with a counter of your own. Reversal on top of reversal. Dropped with a suplex. And he keeps his focus on an attack to that area. He's doing some dangerous redecorating. I think the table really ties it all together. Sent into the corner.
Gets him in position.
This is not going to end well for him, Michael. Caught the clothesline attempt. Driven down STO.
Oh, my God, that table right there. This isn't going to be pretty.
Through the table. A hellacious maneuver, driving him through the table. Just goes to show you the amount of animosity that has flooded this matchup.
No clue what he hopes to find down there.
Of all the toys underneath the ring, he just had to go with the one that ensures splinters.
Outside the ring now. He has no need to rush. Roman being the aggressor.
This is Reed's resolve being challenged.
I don't know what they're looking for here.
And he's obviously prepared for this as he goes for the ladder. Let's get it on.
You can sense it. This crowd is on pins and needles.
The WWE Universe is ready to erupt. Are we close to the beginning of the end?
He's back into the ring. He's setting it up right where he wants it. He's reaching under the ring for anything useful.
Grabbing a guitar, one step closer to starting a band, I guess. What a spear by Reigns! No coming back from Reigns after that. He's got a plan for that table, and it does not involve a dinner party.
He's looking to cause some destruction with that table.
I say bring it on. He's looking to get up that ladder, guys.
It's a long way.
Top, I can't look. Incredible. From that height, that's got to do it.
And he throws the opposition back into the ring.
Uh-oh, forearm gonna cut off the wind.
Oh, guillotine choke.
This one's over. Tap out coming.
And he releases the hold.
I don't think he had it fully locked in. Clothesline in the corner. And a couple back elbows to follow.
Reed is getting picked apart right now.
Reigns is making an opportunity.
Oh, Roman Reigns about to put his opponent away. No getting up from this. Spear!
Reigns put his stamp on this one.
Reigns has identified the target. Still spinning.
Going to the well again. Will it produce dividends?
2. Roman Reigns picks up a strong victory.
Here is your winner, Roman Reigns. Like clockwork, the win goes to Roman Reigns.
The tribal chief firmly asserting his position at the head of the table.